the meeting is to plan our radio broadcast. We will talk about the date, the topic, what we need to prepare, and what we will do. Let's start with that. When should we do the radio show? What the date works best for everyone? Do you have the date for?
Yes, I recommended that we will do the radio show next week, so we can prepare before we do the radio.
Okay, thank you. Let's go. And I wanna now let's choose the topic or theme for the show. Do you have any idea? What do you think will be the interest for listener? Yes, yeah.
How about when we talk about campus? So the Laila is the voice of campus.
Have any idea of topic? Aku bertanya. Do you have any idea? Do you have any idea or tema we can choose to our radio or broadcast? Yes,
I agree with Diana's additional, but maybe it's not just about the campus, but it's we put all the thing of the campus, like students, like facility, lecture on anything about the campus.
Okay, thank you, Anna. Next, we need to choose role. What want to be the announcer, who will be red script, who will help music, sound, and equipment. Maybe I will be choose from you all. How about Latifah? Do you want to be announcer? Because I think you will be can handle this.
Of course, we'll just list
And then to write script, do you want to be a write script topic?
Sure.
Okay. Last is music and equipment. Do you want to be equipment?
So let me music for the radio for the broadcast.
Okay. The next is what tools or do you have? Tunggu. Next is what tools or material do you need? Do we need already have anything? If not, what do we still have to prepare? Do you have? We want to prepare before we do the radio. Yes, Mr.
I think the important things that we have to prepare is the information.
Oh,
So we have to collect the data or the information from the campus. I think that's all.
okay, thank you, Mr. Before I close this meeting, do you have any question or idea? Please feel free to speak. Your opinion is very important for our radio to make our radio is interest for our listener. Yes, Latifah?
I have questions, and I think it's the additional idea from our radio projects. And what about if we put the daily activities for the student in the radio, such as like a podcast or anything?
Yes. Yes, Latifah, this is good idea. Thank you for your idea. I think that's all for our meeting today. Thank you so much, everyone. I'm happy we could plan this together. Let's work and the thing and make this broadcast the best